Hello everyone, today I'm going to be giving you a house tour on Animal Crossing New Leaf. So first of all, this is like the blue theme for the house with the door, interior, roof, the fence, and the mailbox. So on the inside, this is my main room. It's the whole blue theme. It's got the blue, like this is the complete set of the blue theme. And that song playing is KK Cruising. Alright, in the next room, this back room right here. This is the kitchen. Got the kitchen island, dinner table, trash can, a few kitchen appliances, and then my fridge, sink, and stove, pancakes, snacks, just a lot of them. So that was it. Then in this left wing right here, this is my living room with the complete set of the cabin theme. And that song playing, that song is called Agent KK. Yes, the complete set of the cabin furniture. Alright, going into the next room. Alright, now right here, this is my bathroom. This is my kitchen sink, vacuum, mop, washer and dryer, bathtub, my toilets, and my shower stall. So that was it. Not really much in there. Just a few stuff. Alright, now upstairs. Here's my bedroom. Like this is the complete set of like the sleek stuff. Here's my pet sharks. The shark and the whale shark. Yeah. So, and that song's KK Waltz right there playing. Alright, now moving on to the last room. So there's my basement. This is the complete set of the Astro theme. So I guess it's like spaceship furniture. This is the complete set of it. And that song playing's Lucky KK. So anyway, thanks for watching my house tour. So this was it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.